Welcome back to the GanjaGod Show, everybody. We're gonna show you where me I go eat today. This are the spot. We're down here by the train station. Alright, it's one nice little spot. You can take the train, go out throughout the city. Don't mind the building people because them have a whole heap of things in there from store, shop, clothes, jewelry, and a whole heap of food places where you can go. Right, so make we go through the entrance. My favorite little spot, my favorite little Indian spot. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe on the channel. You know, so GanjaGod loves you. And let's get back to our show. Welcome to Little India Express. Them always treat me right with good quality food. Them have food for meat eaters and them have food for people like when on your meat people. Me say you can come here and get the best hospitality. Good drinks, good food, and good vibes. The people them always treat me good people. You can get it your food any dish with any type of meat or veggies and get it to a spice level 1 to 5. Me say them not afraid to fling the pepper in there. Come to Little India Express and get some real Indian food. So you know what Ganja God have my apple juice when me what whap down the food, cause me have to quat it down. In the place where me go get my food, them usually have some more shops, some other different type of food where if you want to try some fish and chips and some other thing, you can get Thai food and them something there. The man them a work hard back there. Trust me. Them a work hard. So now that we get the food and the drinks, make we see how it go. Right, so like me say, you can come down at the train station and get any ride if you are trying to go all throughout Seattle. Yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel and share it with your family and friends. So let's get back to the good food, people. You say me couldn't wait, people. Me did have to try a little bit before me reach my yard. Yeah, me did have to try a little bit. So this is the aloo mutter. It is a nice creamy curry sauce with different vegetables and little bit of Irish, lots of good seasoning. Them spice up the level to a at 5 because you know some food of a spicy people. Well seasoned and well nice. Look at it. So the next thing them always give me a salad. One nice fresh salad of just some greens and some simple dressing people. Them give this with every single dish where you get. You always are go get a salad. Yeah, people. And the greens them fresh. Them now go give you know little dege greens and little fenke thing. Them always give me some naan bread because me love naan bread. And so the owner him say, yo, I want you to try the basil and spinach naan. Me say, people, you get enough with them, your people. Them not afraid to feed you. And at $20 me pay for the food, people. 20 blood clot dollars me pay for the food. Yeah? All right, so you see the naan, it very thick. Them stuff it with the basil, with the spinach, and little bit of garlic. Then them bake it, people, and make sure you get the real color. You want to have some naan with your food, right? So the one big plate of rice, them not afraid to fling rice in a for your plate, people. Them want make sure you have enough food when you order from them, people. So make we start it. Cause me like to prepare my plate nice and ready. We're gonna put the aloo butter on top of the rice because it's well hot, it's well nice. Trust me, it's spicy. All right. Next thing we're gonna have is the salad. Me like to eat my salad them separately. Right? Me like to eat my greens them separately. Me don't know why, but me just like to do it. We're gonna have two naan because one is never enough. Yeah? Don't laugh at me. Yes, me wear a bib. Me no want mess up myself. So see the plate of food, the people. Nice. Don't it? Presentation and everything. So we are gonna try it and see how it go. Silence for the food. I say you know say my prayers me I say people if you see me I mix round food like that, I bless up the blood clot food. So we go see how you go. Me say the food at your fuck people at. When me say it at, the heat wise it at. Me never say the spiciness, but it good still. Me have to cool it down. Sure the foods are hot, but me still a near me. Still a blood clot near me. Let me tell you people what I go on in my head right now. Me say the food sweet me and sweet me so tell people It's sweet, me so till me can't take it. The food so nice, it a make me so happy. Me say me a jump for blood clot joy. If me could have jump out of my skin, you know, people. You wouldn't see me jump out of my blood clot skin, you know. As always, my mama always tell me say you fi name your greens because the greens them will help you in your digestive. You don't want struggle when you go to the bathroom. Overall, I can tell you this right now: the food nice. Come down to Liquor India Express down in a Tacoma, Washington. If you're there in the States, people, you will not be disappointed. The food price, you can't get it. You get a whole heap of food for little and nothing, everybody. Make sure you wash it down with some water and some juice, yeah? Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you click the links. Check out my new music, GanjaGod 3. I just dropped the new album already. I am on every single musical platform. You can follow me on TikTok as well at Only GanjaGod and King GanjaGod. Make sure you love yourself, love others, and love Mother Earth above all
You
things.
make it look easy. Take time now,